Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we will see how to install Windows 10. Go to browser and click on tab, write download Windows 10. Click on the first link, download Windows 10. Scroll down and click on download tool now. The tool is being downloaded. Once the tool is downloaded, it can be used to create a USB flash drive which is bootable, or it can be also used to create an ISO file containing the Windows application files. The file is downloaded. Open the file. The setup is getting ready, downloading a few files. Accept the terms so we can go further. Select whether you want to upgrade your PC or create a USB installation device. You can select your categories. You want to download 64-bit, 32-bit, or both. We will set to it to default setting. Here we can select we want to download ISO file or create a USB flash drive. Here we will download ISO file so it can be used further. Once the file is downloaded, extract the ISO file. We can extract the ISO file and copy it into your USB flash drive. You must format your USB flash drive before copying the Windows files. Once the Windows file is successfully copied into your USB flash drive, restart your computer. Now we are on the UEFI BIOS setting. Click on boot menu or press F8 to select USB flash drive. Here we will select UEFI USB flash drive. The setup is getting ready. It's downloading files into the memory. Here we got the setup. Click on the next. You can select your language. You can set your keyboard. Click on install now. If you have a product key, you can do it, or click on I don't have the product key. You can select one of these. We will select Windows 10 Professional Pro. Click on next. Click on I accept the agreement license the terms we want to install. You select the partition where you want to install. Format the partition before installing it. The Windows is being installed. We'll wait for its installation. Now the computer will restart to move further and set the settings of the Windows. You will not click on any of the key, you will not go to the BIOS, you will not go to the boot menu. The setup will go through all the settings by itself. Our window is successfully installed. Now we will make some settings in the Windows like connections to the internet, creating passwords, usernames. We will select our country and our keyboard. If you want to add some any other layout of your keyboard, you can add. Now we are connected to a network. We have connected to a LAN network, so we don't need any kind of installation or connection properties. It is connected to directly connected to a network. You can set up your computer as a for an organization or your personal use. We will set up it as a personal use. Now you can log into your email ID and set password for your account. You can create a pin. Enter the pin, confirm the pin and click on OK. Here we have some setting. We can turn off these settings or turn on according to our requirement. We are turning off the location settings because the system do not have any kind of GPS. So We are turning off the location settings, find my device, diagnostic data which takes load of your computer. Here we can customize our PC according to our requirement, family, gaming or any other purpose. But we don't need all of these, we'll skip these. Now you can connect your Windows with your mobile phone. You can write your phone number and send a message of a link to download the application for your mobile that will connect your phone to your personal computer. Here you can backup all your file on your OneDrive or only save the files on your PC. We will click on only save files to the PC. If you want Microsoft Office, you can get a free trial or just skip. You can accept Cortana for your assistance or only skip that if you don't need that. We are getting ready for your Windows. We have almost installed Windows. Our Windows is successfully installed. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.